If your little sight glass on your brake or clutch reservoir ends up broken, I'm going to show you two ways that you can fix it. One of them for about 10 cents.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the little broken sight glass on a clutch or brake reservoir. I loaned out a little Pinkie Pie here. That's what my granddaughter calls this little quad. I loaned this out a couple weeks ago and came back with a broken sight glass. And I don't know if they broke it. It was probably already cracked, but whatever. It's a very easy and pretty cheap fix. And there is a homebrew fix that you can do for 10 cents. Let me show you that real quick. Now here's the broken glass or plastic, whatever it is. It's plastic, not glass. And what I did for a temporary fix is I put a dime behind it here. I peeled out the retaining ring and I put a dime in there and I put that back in. If you put a little bit of sealant in there with it, or there's a little O-ring behind there, if you replace that, that might just work forever. It's not the right way, but if this happens to you somewhere away from home, there's your 10-cent fix. Or if you're too cheap to spend $5, that's your fix. Now for $5 on that Jungle website, I picked up 2 of these. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel out that retaining ring and we'll replace it properly. It comes with a new O-ring, and that's what I ordered right there. I just looked up brake master cylinder window, I think, for brake master cylinder window or something like that is what I searched. Came up for 50 cc's. I don't know if that's the same size for all of them, but it looks like it's the common size. I think 16.5 millimeters or something is what it says. So let me show you how to get the old one out. If yours is broken, you probably already have the fluid level below the window, but if not, drain some out. And then you can use a screwdriver and kind of pry this deal out of here. There you go. Now I just got to press that dime out, which I don't know if I'll be able to press it out from the inside, maybe. Possibly. Better save that, 10 cents saved. And there's an O-ring in there, or a seal of some sort. Yeah, this one has kind of a flat seal. All right, so I'm going to clean this all up, and then we'll put the new O-ring in, and then we'll try to press in that new window. Here's what I came up with in my mind to make this work. I have a C-clamp, a socket that's about almost the same size as that window. And I'm just going to tighten this C-clamp up. It's in there a little bit crookedy right now. Let's see if I can get it straighter. All right, I'm going to get the stand and set you up in the stand so I can use 2 hands because this is a little delicate. After messing around with this a little bit, I found out that maybe just using the whole C-clamp is going to be just as good as using that little socket. So we're just going to tighten it up. And if you feel any resistance, just slow down a little bit. If you have to reposition it, like I'm going in a little bit crooked, I'm going to go down on the bottom side of it here. There we go. Almost flush. That's pretty good. And I can use the socket to drive it in a little bit farther maybe if I want to. I don't think it has to go any farther than that on this one. Feels pretty good. So now we'll put some more fluid in there and make sure we don't have any leaks. Topped off with brake fluid. You can see there's a little bubble at the top up there, no leaks. Brakes on this thing are holding. There you go, it's working. So I'll wipe this down. So just drop my screwdriver, wipe it down, put the cap on, and we are done. Easy day in the garage. So if you want to fix it for 10 cents, there you go, 10 cents. Or for, well, about $2.50, I guess, because I got 2 of them for $5. The choice is yours. The dime trick will probably work forever. And it's a good field fix if that happens and you have enough tools at least to get the broken piece out. So it gives you an option. All right, if you're liking my content, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.